What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Today, as you can see by the title, we are unboxing the Luv Moschino. I have no idea what this bag is called. I know it's a Luv Moschino bag, okay? I actually picked it up at TK Maxx. Had never even heard of Luv Moschino before. However, I was looking in the handbag section. I saw this bag, and I was like, she's kind of cute. We like her. Okay. So yeah, I picked her up. The price on it, I have worn the bag. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put that out there. We have worn the bag, and she's a cute wearer. She's nice. She's sturdy. I love the look. I love me a good classy look. Even if I have on jeans, I love throwing on a nice classy look, which is why I love my Coach Cassie so much. So yeah, I picked her up from TK Maxx. She was $59.99 in pounds. Okay, the tag is right here so y'all know. And let's show her to you, okay? Is she not a doll? I'm sorry, y'all. Is she not a doll? I mean, come on. She is just gorgeous. It's the chain. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I loved this little chain. And it's hearts. It's hearts. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. At first, I thought the hearts were actually a little, not tacky, but a little young. A little young girl-ish. And y'all know I'm a grown woman now. 30 wear. But I did think that at first. But, you know, I'm kind of like, nah, that's cute. That's cute. That's youthful and vibrant. Because it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing. Yup. She does have the strap here, and you can take off the strap. It's not like one of those super easy straps that you're just like clipping off, but you can take off the strap. I haven't took off the strap because I just don't think it's necessary, but we'll go ahead and open her up. I put the paper back in it for the sake of the video, but here is the dust bag that it comes with. Okay, and then I'll take the paper out of it. And if you see in the inside, first of all, the little card slots on it. Tell me that's not so convenient. I love that. And then you have the Luv Moschino print all in the inside. Okay. And then right here, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but in the inside, if I can take a picture, I'll give a picture. But there is like a Luv Moschino button to like, well, it's not a button, it's just like an emblem, I guess, but it is the cutest. I'm not gonna lie, I love the details of this bag. I also love the structure. I really like structured bags, low key. I'm not sure why, but I do love structured bags. I also like smooth leather bags. I don't know. And again, she is a top handle moment. If you don't know, I love a nice top handle moment. But yes, this is the bag. Y'all, we're gonna keep it 100 right now. I ain't got no pants on, so if I have a video, I'll insert a picture of me wearing it, like maybe crossbody, but I can show y'all like how it kind of like looks on the shoulder. And if you know, like she's just cute. Okay, I can't show y'all no more because like I said, I don't have any pants on. Like, I'm that girl on the Zoom call. Okay, shirt and above. Okay, beat beat for the Greeks. At the bottom, leisure or nothing at all, just draws. Okay, don't judge me. But yes, I love this bag so much. And for the price, I just think I personally just think it's worth it. I don't know if I can find a link to the bag. Obviously, I will go ahead and link it down below. I also like when you are wearing your crossbody, like how the chain just kind of hangs like that. I love that little detail on it. Like, is that not so cute? Yeah. She's a bop. We love her. I have worn her a couple times and have not had any problems. There is also a back slot back here, and it also has that red Luv Moschino print on it. To be honest, I personally think, don't get me wrong, I do think the bag, this makes it look young to me, but I really do like it. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, would I say this bag is worth the purchase? I would say yes, absolutely. Of course, like I said, if I can find links to the bag, I will go ahead and leave it down below. But I did get it from TK Maxx, and I think the actual retail price on it is 135 pounds. So that's like I want to say like $190 maybe USD. But yeah. So I love you guys so much. If you like the bag, or if you have a Luv Moschino bag, let me know what you think of it. How long has this been a brand? I don't even know, but I do like the bag. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more handbag reviews. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life to see the looks, the fashions, and the bags and the beats. Just kidding. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.